Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect LED brick lights. First, gather your essential tools, including wire strippers and appropriate connectors. Safety is paramount, so ensure the power is completely off at the circuit breaker before touching any wires. Next, carefully identify the positive and negative wires on both your LED brick light and the power source. This crucial step prevents damage and ensures proper function. Now, carefully strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from the ends of all wires you'll be connecting. Match the positive wire from your LED brick light to the positive wire from your power source, and do the same for the negative wires. Secure these connections firmly using appropriate wire nuts or connectors. For outdoor use, always choose waterproof connectors to protect against moisture. With your connections made, it's time to secure everything. Ensure all wire connections are tight and properly insulated, perhaps with electrical tape for added security. Before fully mounting, briefly restore power to test the light. If it illuminates correctly, turn the power off again. Finally, mount your LED brick light securely in its desired location, following the manufacturer's instructions. If your LED brick light isn't working, first recheck all your wire connections for tightness and proper polarity. Sometimes a loose connection is the culprit. For ongoing maintenance, periodically clean the light's surface to ensure maximum brightness and efficiency. A little care goes a long way in extending its lifespan. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.